Hello guys, so in my last video I show you how to make white noise effect with Massive. So as I said in my last video, you can also do it with the instruments by default that Abletons have, actually with any kind of synthesizer. So now I'm gonna show you how to make a white noise with operator, a default instrument in Ableton. So we're gonna basically do the same thing. I'm just gonna turn this shit off, and here in operator we're gonna click here what is saying sine wave, and we're gonna change it to white noise, and that's again everything you have to do here. It's actually that's it. So it's the same, it's the same thing. We're just gonna release like one more like there, and the attack we're gonna also, yeah, perfect. So as you can see, I'm moving the same parameters. Then I did a massive. I just slowed down the attack and the release. I increased the release a little, and yeah. So that's all we're gonna be doing. We're gonna just draw on a line like last video, and we're gonna give that a little reverb. Actually, now I'm gonna do it with the tool that I always use, tool, because I really like this. Yeah, it really sounds great, I like it. And you can also play with the frequencies of in the reverb, so it's really great. So that's it. So I'm gonna frozen it again, and I'm gonna do that. And actually we can see here then I'm sorry, I just forgot to the auto filter. So it's the basic same thing, so I'm gonna, let's do this quick. Also here. Yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna copy this compressor, frozen this again, and paste the compressor. Yeah, it's the same thing I did last time, but actually we can see the difference between both, right? Between Massive and operator. I don't know why they have like a real big difference in the Ableton, but it works. So you can do it as you want, and I'm gonna give you like an advice. If you want, you can also pan your white noise. That's really handy because it gives you like kind of a feeling or movement to the white noise. I'm just gonna check it there. Yeah, sounds really cool, right? Yeah, it really gives you like another feeling. So yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and check my SoundCloud, and please like it. See you next time.